project number 20, fighter tank game. So this is instructions. Now we will click on start project. Now we will click on how it works. Yes, now we will click on remix. Yes, so now we will code. We will go on world and we will take set background, and here we will select our background. Yes, now we will go on sprites and I will take make new sprite, and here I will select. Okay, I will go on more, and then I will go on vehicles, and here I will select this tank. Then I will select this and I will select the location. Now I will go on sprites and I will take set size. I will go on actions and I will take set size. Set size 290 I will take. Yes, now again I will go on sprites and I will take make new sprite. Then here I will select a drone. I will go on vehicles. Yes, and from here I will select it. Yes, this one. Again I will go here and here I will select, and I will select the location. Then I will go on actions and I will take set size, and here I will select this drone and size will be 90. Okay, now I will go on events and I will take when up pressed. Then I will go on actions. I will take move tank to 10 pixels north. Then again I will go on event and I will take when down pressed. When down pressed, I will go on actions and I will take move actor. Move actor tank to 10 pixels south. Then again I will go on event and I will take when right pressed, and here I will select right. Then I will go on actions and I will take move actor, move tank 10 pixels east. When right pressed, move tank 10 pixels east. Then again I will go on events and I will take when left pressed, and here I will select left. Then again I will go on actions and I will take move actor, and here I will select tank, and here I will select west. Yes, and now I will go on sprites and I will go on behavior and I will take sprite begins, and here I will select this spaceship, this drone, and then I will go on behavior and I will take wandering behavior. Then I will go on action sprites and I will take make new sprite, and here I will select. I will click on more. Then I will go on vehicles. I will go. Yes, here I will select. And I will set the location. So when it will be displayed on the screen, the location will be that which I have selected. Then I will go on actions and I will take set size. and here I will select set size to 65. Then I will go on event and I will take one touches. Yes, now when this tank touches this drone, then I will go on text and I will take show title, and here I will type you lose. Yes, and I will delete this subtitle one. Then again I will go on events and I will take one touches. When this tank touches this rocket, then I will go on text and I will take show title screen, and here I will type as you won, and then I will write on subtitle hooray. Yes, now we will run and check. Now I am clicking my keyboard's button up, down, right, left. Now I will, okay, it's not moving smoothly, and for that I will change this when to while so it can move smoothly. Yes, now we will check. Yes, now it's moving. Now I will touch this tank you want. Okay, again I will reset and I will touch this drone. You lose. Yes, so I have coded it correctly. It's working. Now I will rename our project as project 20. And I will click on save. And I will click on share button. And I will copy this link. And from here I will submit my project. And I will click on submit. So my project will be submitted, and to see my project how I have done, I will click on last submitted or open link. So this project was very easy. So bye guys.